The mission to measure the world. In the late 1700s, France had a problem. Everyone used different measurements. A foot in Paris wasn't a foot in Marseille, and a pint could mean anything from a glass to a bucket. During the French Revolution, scientists had a bold idea: scrap the old units and build a universal system, based not on kings or body parts, but on the Earth itself. Their answer? The metre, defined as 1/10,000,000th of the distance from the North Pole to the equator, measured along a single meridian. But to define it, someone had to measure that distance. So in 1792, two astronomers, Jean-Baptiste Delambre and Pierre Méchain, were sent to survey the arc of the meridian between Dunkirk and Barcelona, a stretch of land running through Paris. Later, their measurements of this part of the arc would be extrapolated to calculate the entire distance from pole to equator. The work was painstaking and meticulous. They began by measuring a 10-kilometer baseline using about 4-meter-long rods made of platinum and brass, so they could correct for how much they expanded or shrank with the temperature. Then they laid a web of triangles across the meridian arc, measuring the angles between landmarks, mountaintops, towers, and church spires, even across unsurveyed parts of the Pyrenees. With a single baseline measured on the ground and all the angles known, they could calculate the rest using the same trigonometry you learned in school. Méchain's journey was especially arduous. During the initial expedition, he was even arrested, mistaken for a spy because of his unusual instruments. Although Delambre and Méchain presented their combined results, and the metre was officially defined, Méchain was tormented by doubts over the accuracy of his work. Determined to resolve these uncertainties, he set out on a second expedition. But tragically, he died during that later journey. Their mission took 7 years to complete. Their data became the basis for the metric system, a system that now underpins science, trade, engineering, and everyday life worldwide. Yes, even the imperial units are now defined by their metric counterparts. But here's an incredible detail. Despite the revolutionary chaos, the arrests, the terrain, the fragile instruments, and the sheer scale, their measurement of the metre was accurate to within less than the width of a human hair.